Meteorologist Chris Addings, National Weather Service in Riverton. Had some fairly quiet weather over the past few days, but it looks like it's going to turn much more active as we get toward the end of the work week. Start by taking a look at possible snowfall. This will be mainly from Thursday through Friday. Highest amount you can see across the Wind River range is showing 12 to 18 inches right now. Could be more than that depending how things set up. Out west we're looking generally about 4 to 8 inches across the mountains. And lower elevations, especially below 6,000 feet, right now looks like a mainly rain event, especially east of the divide. But a couple degrees difference could change that. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Another thing we'll look at is the winds here. Again, strongest winds. This will be mainly late Thursday night into Friday. Strongest winds across Sweetwater County as well as portions of Fremont County. Could see some wind gusts 40, 50 miles per hour there. So that could cause some problems too, especially if we can get some snow. And one other thing I want to look at is the total amount of precipitation, what meteorologists call QPF. You can see highest amounts around the Wind River Range, Lander Foothills, some places over an inch there, even up into Riverton. Now, whether it falls as rain or snow, it looks like mainly snow up in the mountains, but we put an inch of rain down there and we get a little bit of snow melt. We could see some flooding problems as we head toward Friday as well. So as far as any impacts out of this, again, on Thursday, it looks like mainly out west, rain and snow. Snow levels right now looking around 7,500 feet, so mainly rain in the valleys. They could cause some localized flooding problems around Jackson as well as around the Star Valley. As we head toward the Thursday night time frame, we'll see the precipitation spreading east of the divide, especially later at night. Looks like mainly snow, very heavy snow possible across the Wind River Range. That includes South Pass, so travel could be difficult there. Below 6,000, looks like mainly rain through the nighttime hours. However, as we head toward Friday, that looks like where we could have a little bit of uncertainty. Still looks like a mainly rain event, but the models have cooled off just a little bit. And as a result, we could see maybe a 1 to 2 degree difference, maybe 3 degrees. Could make the difference between, say, just a cold rain and maybe a heavy wet snow, especially for a place like Lander. And another thing I want to point out is the winds coming up, especially Thursday night and Friday against Sweetwater, Fremont, probably the main concerns for this. If you can get some snow there and some 40, 50 mile an hour winds, could see some blowing and drifting of that snow, and that could make travel conditions difficult. Now, as far as some resources there, you can see the web address there for forecasts. Again, if you want road conditions, the numbers there for in-state and out-of-state, as well as the web address, you go there. And if you want webcams, you can go to that web address or go to our homepage, click under local apps, and go to webcams by route. Be safe, everyone.